Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, a warm welcome and Merry Christmas to you all. Today we are making the best Guyanese beans pepper pot. It is totally not traditional. It is a full-blown twist, vegetarian twist on a Guyanese classic, guys. It is absolutely fantastic and I can't wait for you guys to try this one. My beans of choice today is kidney beans. The level of protein is very high as meat and black beans. You're going to soak with cinnamon sticks and cloves, boil and set aside. And then if you guys are using canned beans, please use the low sodium, rinse thoroughly and set that aside. Now we are going to build our flavors. I did add some oil to a pan and I'm going in with my aromatics here. Saute for about 2 minutes. Then we are going to add our beans. All right, you guys can use any beans of your choice. I choose to use kidney beans and black beans. Kidney beans adds the same amount of protein as meat and other nutritional values. So hey, why not? You're going to season here. Give it a good stir. Now we are going to add our cassareep. Now depends on the level of darkness you want in your pepper pot. You use that amount of cassareep, okay? So you're going to add that and give it a good stir. I mean, if you need it darker, you add more cassareep. This gives the pepper pot flavor, right? Along with other herbs and spices. Add your cinnamon sticks and orange peel. Listen, I told y'all from the get-go, orange peel is always a must in my pepper pot. Okay, you're going to add the beans water because beans itself is a thickening agent. So you really don't need any thickening. You do not need any thickening agent, period, I would say. All right, you're gonna add your habanero peppers and you can adjust the heat to your likeness and taste. Guys, we love spice in this house, so. All right, I did have 2 whole habanero peppers. It was spicy, so this is my spicy Guyanese beans pepper pot. Guys, if you're a vegetarian, gather here. All right, if y'all are not, I want to try it. Hey, I promise you, y'all will not be disappointed. And we all know the longer a pepper pot sits, the better it gets. So when you make this, you let it rest and then you have it with your beautiful, fluffy, buttery homemade bread. Hands down, one of the best meals you guys are going to be making. All right, so if y'all have vegetarian in your family, really do not like mushrooms either, because I do have a mushroom video on my channel. Making this pepper pot. That one was, listen, out of this world too. That one was absolutely delicious. I've never seen beans pepper pot being done. All right, and remember on this side of the channel we're all about creativity, adventure, art, so just and make it your own, you know, trying different things. Just the FYI guys, I do have a fabulous fish pepper pot on my channel. It is fantastic. You guys just have to try this one as well. If y'all are fisharians, this is the one for you. Now this fish is cabillaud. You may have to check your fisher's market or ask your fisherman for this fish. All right, because they normally don't put this out. We had to ask. We were introduced to this fish by a fisherman, our fisherman. All right, that is how we actually know about this fish. So if you guys are going to use this fish for your pepper pot, please do, and please do not fry your fish. If y'all are going to use any other fish, it is going to lose and be mushy and lose the integrity. All right, if y'all are going to use this fish in or use fish or make seafood or whatever, you guys may need to fry your fish because of course it's going to release its own moisture and mask the other flavors of your other seafood. But if y'all are using straight up fish, cabillaud to be exact, please do not fry your fish. All right, this fish can boil on your stove for 40 minutes, still holds the integrity, and heat up just like any other pepper pot. All right, please, if y'all can find cabillaud, please get it. Ask your fisherman in Guyana for this fish. All right, it is absolutely delicious. So again, y'all need to make this beans pepper pot. We have regular, traditional, delicious pepper pot. We have king mushrooms pepper pot. We have pepper pot wings. We have meat pie, pepper pot meat pie. Like, you guys are going to find some pepper pot recipe on this channel to make, and y'all are gonna fall in love with. All right, let me know which one of these dishes you guys are gonna make, one of these pepper pot dishes in the comment section. All right, thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Go make these beans pepper pot, guys. Your family are going to love you for it. All right, or you can make this as an additional for people who do not eat meat for Christmas. So I see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.